morning. Today is a really special day. I've been waiting for a whole year for this day to come true. We are at the Elephant Nature Park and we'll soon be getting on a bus and going off to see the elephants. I can see elephants. So before coming here, I spent quite a lot of time investigating an ethical elephant sanctuary, and I think I found the most amazing one. I hope nobody has to put me right because I had such an amazing day and there seemed to be so much care and love. This is our guide Dang explaining how this elephant suffered quite a horrific hip and leg injury during logging.
So now consider as the grandma elephant. Yeah? They've been together for already more than 3 years now. Yeah, during the COVID. Yeah, and the one on the right side, her name Meadow. Meadow, she have so very like a damaging on the back. You know, damaging the back. In the past, she have the beginning of the life we working in the logging, you know, in the forest, and then there was one day later she had got the back right foot broken from with the logging job, you know.
The elephant on the left is completely blind, and these two live together and are the best of friends and help each other every day. They have over 120 elephants here that have been rescued, and they work on a hands-off policy, which I think is really wonderful. So you get to go and view the elephants and see them in their environment, but you're not affecting the way they live or upsetting them or causing any kind of trauma. The only people allowed to feed or have anything to do with the animals is the people that actually work at the park, and all we can do is view from a distance.
2 months old, yeah. A 2 months old baby elephant, so small at the beginning, only about like 60 kilogram, you know, but now already over than 1.5 times.
Most of the elephants here have been rescued from the illegal logging trade, or they are from tourism, where people have been riding the elephants and basically abusing them over the years, and the charity goes in and has to buy the elephants from the owners, and that's the only way they're able to rescue them. Okay. This cheeky elephant's coming over to my guide to see if he's got any food, and he's just telling him, "No, I don't have anything." So the elephant turns away. This is the Grab food delivery for the elephants arriving. The amount that they eat is colossal. It's tons of food every single day, and most of it is fresh fruit and vegetables.
The food that they normally they are keep like calm, focusing on eating the food.
After they've had their lunch, they're going over to the muddy area, which is a bit like a swamp, and they're going to cover themselves in loose soil to use as sun protection, but they're also going to have a lovely bath, especially this naughty little baby who is absolutely gorgeous. He's finished his mud bath, but he's just spotted his friend in the corner and he's about to make a quick escape to go and see her. Apparently they can run as fast as 30 miles an hour, and being that he's nearly 2 ton, nothing's going to stop him seeing his friend today.
Our part can continue rescue the elephant about 50 more elephants. During the COVID time, we also have no tourists, visit our part here because the country or the border got shut down, for responding with the COVID epidemic, They know each other before, but they daily stay in a different zone. Sometimes they accidentally got meet each other to like this. So now they are greeting, to each other. This one is Chana, yeah, Chana, and the one on the side over there, her name Famai. She's the first elephant who born in our park. And now she's 17 years old. And the one at the back with the big body size as well, I think now she's was standing near close to another nanny elephant over there. She's 10 years old, She's also best friend with these 2 elephants.
This little elephant's got part of her trunk missing. Elephants tend to put their trunks in each other's mouths as a greeting, and they think that she may have been bitten by another elephant who wasn't very pleased to see her. But she gets along quite happily in her little family group with her mother and her grandma.
And their nanny, one of the nannies, their family.
Some of the injuries that have happened to these elephants is horrendous, but they look like they're having a happy life finally.
She's also the super nanny elephant in our park. Yeah, since she rescued or ride to a park, she's always the adult elephant always live in the baby and the young elephant. In over there.
Super Nanny
She's
65.
also. One for each, maybe one for each kind of the cornerstones.
think this was the sweetest part of the day, and this just really summed up the personality of these beautiful animals. This elephant is so cheeky. She spots a bunch of bananas on the floor and she goes straight to them. You snooze, you lose. So my afternoon at Elephant Nature Park in Chiang Mai is coming to an end, and it's really sad to have to leave. I've had the most amazing time, and I want to say a big thank you to all the people that work and contribute to this charity, because it really was one of the most amazing things I've ever done, and I really do wish I could have spent a lot longer there. So if you have a couple of hours or a day to spare, I highly recommend it to anybody that's in the area. It's just fantastic. So if you want to follow along with the rest of my adventures on owmyback-packing, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.